Let's talk about how to make it and supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Somebody gave me this caramel apple cupcake and frosting mix, and I haven't made it yet, but this idiom, this expression made me think of it because it sounds delicious and I want to make it. It's got step-by-step instructions. It's easy to do, and I have come to believe the more businesses I've been involved in, the more businesses I've worked with and interacted with, that we all need to have processes and systems and step-by-step instructions for how we do everything. And the simpler and the more straightforward and easy to understand those instructions, the quicker and easier it is for me to make it. Whether it's a cake, a cupcake, cookies, you can make a variation of cookies. However, and whatever it is that we do, if we have a formula and a process for doing it, it's repeatable, duplicatable, and easy to do. And it's easy to grow and expand and supersize that. So our expression, our contribution related expression and idiom today related to the BU 365-day annual challenge this year, which is one in which we're just doing one thing every day that improves us, to get us in the habit of continuously improving in all the different areas and aspects of our life, especially with respect to our businesses and finances and showing up and being who we really are, etc. So what does make it mean and where did it come from? It's an idiom and an expression that dates back and ties back to the 1400s. It's been around hundreds of years, and it means today to be successful or to attend or participate in something, to survive. You know, are you going to make it to the party tonight? I don't know if any of us have not heard that before. Are you going to make it to my nephew's wedding? Are you going to reach or arrive at a destination? Are you going to achieve a goal? And that leads to the whole thought and pattern of behavior around the importance of how we define things like success and making it, because success to you is going to be different than success is to me. Success to me, I define it for each area and aspect of my life, as well as each of the different businesses that I've been involved in and continue to work with over the years. So we have to know our definition of success, which is our definition of making it. How do we know when we've actually arrived and made it to the goal or the destination that we want? I would love if a couple people, or if you for sure, would share in the comments below, what are some things that you use to define success, or to know that you've made it or arrived or are continuing to become the person and build the business that you've wanted to and that you want to. I have come to also believe, as I get older and been involved in many businesses, that there is no real success or end point or done or made it. It's a continually evolving and improving process. Just like our goals and objectives will grow and expand as we do, our business goals and objectives and our desires for our businesses and what we want to create and how we want to show up in the world and how we want to contribute is going to grow and expand. As we get bigger and more capable, our goals and objectives and things we want to create in the world become bigger and have more capabilities of helping more people. So share in the comments below maybe one or two things that you determined to be successful for you. Mine, when I was younger, used to always be monetary goals and a monetary number that I would have to hit in order to feel like I made it. But I realized pretty early on in my life and career that whenever I achieved a goal and objective, I worked really hard up to that point. I got the goal, and I was happy for maybe a little while, like half an hour or an hour or a day or maybe a week, depending on how big the goal was. But even before I got to that goal, I found myself already wanting something beyond that goal. When the goal achievement was inevitable, all of a sudden I had a whole new group of things that I wanted to acquire or go for or achieve. So that's it. That's our idiom for today. It's pretty simple. Make it. I don't know anybody that hasn't heard the term or used the term in some way, shape, or form. Make it, either with respect to participating in something or to be successful. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.